Oh, baby. What a day. This is one of my favorites. Euro dollar. Look at the meltdown on the U.S. session. Where'd you go? All I know is the euro dollar looks like death. My newsletter, people, I take it all back. I wrote my newsletter when the euro was basically going up here. I take it all back. We're going lower. The dollar is going to continue to rally, but it's going to be a sell in the news event tonight. What a day last night. Selling the bounce. Look at that channel. We sold the euro dollar right at 141.50. Probably a little early, but still. Tweezer top. Bang! ECB not injecting any liquidity. Unemployment rate goes to 7.5%. I know German retail sales are up a little bit. A lot. 1 month does not make a trend. Oh, baby. I love this song. The Senate of the U.S. is going to vote for the U.S. bailout tonight. They're filibustering right now. I gotta tell you, if this isn't a dollar sell in the news event, I don't know what is. A carry trade. Buy the carry trade on the event. Barney Frank's a moron. These idiots, they don't know what they're doing. Oh, baby, what a day. U.S. economy collapsing. ISM. Absolutely disaster, but the world around us is collapsing as well. London, horrible PMI. That was a disaster, too. All right. Enough of the music. I don't know, I'm in a good mood. I figured I'd give you guys a good song I like. It's a good trading song. I got a bunch of other ones I'm going to try and give you. Anyway, look at this euro-dollar chart. Look at the macro of the euro. I think Jean-Claude Trichet, Mr. Trichet is going to cut rates tomorrow. I know the futures market is predicting a 33% chance. I got to tell you, though, I can't believe that many people think they're going to cut rates. Nobody thinks they're going to cut rates. I think, if anything, he indicates he will cut rates, and he's going to cut rates. Not maybe, we'll see. I'm cutting rates, just not now. Oil's come in, inflation's come in. How about that prices paid out of the U.S. ISM? That was an abomination there. Bernanke's going to cut rates. Australia now rumors they're going to cut by 50. Look at that. Aussie looks like death. Under 78. Say bye-bye. How the commodity currencies were strong today in the beginning, I have no idea. Aussie, New Zealand, they were up big. But our sell on Australia was, what, I think 79.75. We were down about 50 pips, but we certainly made 100. So I'll take losing 50. We didn't lose, but our stop, we almost got stopped out by 5 pips. By that much. I'm in a good mood. What can I say? Euro dollar again on the hourly chart. I mean, it's in a beautiful downtrend channel. But again, I'm very scared to be short the euro here. I'd rather be long it. I'm looking to buy the disaster, buy the bottom. Buy the meltdown here to this channel, maybe under 140, maybe 139.70, something like that. I just think the U.S. is in dire straits. I think that the bailout, everyone's predicting this bailout is going to save everyone's asses. Give me a break. Read my newsletter. I stand by that statement. The only thing this bailout does is it changes the road that the U.S. economy is on. It goes from a straight highway to death to a windy road to death. I didn't say that in the newsletter, but you know what I mean. All right, I got to act quick. I only got 5 more minutes, and I got to get to the chart. So, again, U.S. numbers coming out. ECB is going to cut rates, I think. I think the euro ends up rallying on that news. If the euro collapses on a rate cut or a talk of a rate cut, I think the euro rallies. My bias, again, Euro's down 1,000 pips in 8 days. Give me a break. Dollar yen flagging to the upside. Look at that bullish night. It looks good. I know it's pulled in. I'm long it. My stop is down here at the lows. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. But I think this dollar yen, should it break through this 106.50, say hello to 107.50. Say hello to my little friend of this channel line here. Well, now it's coming lower. Notice how we keep going, more time ticks over, that number comes over. So 107 now. Look at that 107 level dollar yen. If we breach 107, this dollar yen to the moon, Alice. 108 easy. I don't even, yeah, 108. I know I got all these lines all over the place, but I'll tell you what, this dollar yen is set up to explode, in my opinion. The Senate, they're going to do it, and if they vote for the bailout, the Congress is not going against it. Sterling dollar, again, channel line setup. As long as the sterling dollar does not breach through there, this level here of what is that, 106.60? As long as sterling dollar does not breach to 106.60, I think sterling dollar looks okay. I mean, this is a sick downtrend. Sick downtrend. And I know I'm in a little weird mood tonight, but, you know, my dog's kind of potty training a little bit. Look at that gorgeous downtrend. You don't get a better downtrend channel than that. That is picture perfect. So, again, I think, though, maybe we come down to the lows, we make new lows, we bottom out at 176, and we bounce up to 178. It's not going to be easy, sports fans, Forex traders. It's going to be volatile. The next 24 hours, 48 hours with non-farm payroll coming out. Who wants to be long the U.S. dollar going into non-farm payroll? Please tell me. Euro sterling. I have no opinion on this thing. I mean, it's in a downtrend channel. Gorgeous shooting star in that alley. Look at that gorgeous shooting star. I guess 79.30, 79.20 in that level there. Maybe get up to here. Breaking out a little bit. You know, euro yen's coming back a little bit. I like the euro yen. We're long it. Premium is long it against the lows of 447.50. We're long it at 5 o'clock. You've never heard Andrew Spanton ever go long, short the yen, go long the carry trade at 5 o'clock, but we did it today on a couple of pairs. I did. Hey, you know what? It was BS. And it's happened. Triple roll does not always work every week. So this euro sterling, it gets up to here. I think it's a nice short. They're not going to bail them out. And these Europeans are so stubborn. They are so stubborn. It's sick. Euro yen, as long as 147.50 is not breached. I mean, look. We got this nice little channel. You know, we broke through here. We did. We did break this. And we did retrace a lot of the move. But I just think it's overdone. I think the carry trade, I think this whole situation is going to abate. Listen, I'm a bear on the carry trade. You know that. I think the year, November, December, carry trade is going to melt 1,000 pips. Just not now. Not now. Please, not now. Please, not now. Help me. I'll be so upset if I go long the carry trade and we lose money. I never go long the carry trade. Never. I'm always a bear. Again, this level right here, the hammer, very big. Sterling yen also, under 86.90. You know, you can play a tight stop, but you know, we got big resistance at this 188.50 level. I think sterling yen bounces a big bounce on the Senate, confirming the bailout. Dollar index. I got a little time. I got another 50 seconds. Dollar index. Listen, I was dead wrong on the dollar index. I take it back. I did my newsletter today at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Big mistake. I'll never do that again. It was looking like a big dollar reversal, but now all bets are off. Dollar index now looks good. Dollar index now looks like it's going to hit 80. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that channel. Woo! So dollar index, it looks like 80 to me, and then we reverse. So that would make a euro reversal. If we were able to buy that euro under 140, right? And cable also at a similar level. So dollar index looking good. Andrew Spanton, email info@globalfxradio.com. Check out my rebroadcast, globalfxradio.com, my premium services. Thanks for listening. Make some money. Have a good night.